Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have two Hot Wheels cars right here. We got a 2020 Jeep Gladiator and a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. This is a treasure hunt and this is just a regular Jeep Gladiator. So today we're going to open both today. So let's go and open the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Take a look at that. So spin this and crack it open. There we go. Nice. Alright guys, so now we have the 2020 Jeep Wrangler, which I really do like the body style of the car. Like, it's very, I don't know. Wow, look at that. It's very like nice to kind of push around, you know? Very nice. So let's put it on the rotator. So yeah guys, let's take a look at the car. It is very detailed. Has a lot of designs on the car all over it. The Laura on it has two Modus and two dirt bikes on the back, which is pretty cool and unique. I don't know, when I hold the car, it's like, I like how the wheels are kind of like sticking out. So like when you play with this thing, it's like, I don't know, I really like how it rolls. It's a pretty cool black paint job and a lot of details. It's 48, I think, or 42. Hot Wheels logo right there. There are no front headlight tampons on this car, sadly, but still pretty good paint job. Look at that. Nice. But anyways, let's put the Jeep down here. Let's take a look at the 2017 Wrangler treasure hunt right here. See, it is a treasure hunt, not a super, but we still got a treasure hunt. So let's crack it open. It's alright. Go on. It's alright. Let's open this up, and there's a treasure hunt logo. Treasure hunt logo. So let's take a look at the Jeep treasure hunt. Whoa, look at that. So let's put it on rotator. So you guys, take a look at this car. It is very big. I like the spare tire on the back. Very cool kind of see-through plastic on the back. Love the pumpkin orange color with nice brown tires and some black paint. There's the treasure hunt logo right there. It says Jeep on it. Got a little see-through casket on top to see the engine. But yeah, very cool. I love the little dirt splotches on the side of the car and all the holes in it. But still, it's a pretty big car and very nice treasure hunt. It has some front headlight tampons too. Just look at these two units, eh? Let's look at that. I'll put both of them on here. I love both of these cars, man. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video and have a good day. Bye. And oh yeah, check out my gaming channel, Zamir Gaming 101. But anyways, I hope you all have a good day, and yeah, bye. You know, hold on. There's the treasure hunt logo. Look at that. So yeah, treasure hunt. Okay, you gotta go now. Video's ended, so yeah, bye.